Hey guys, so that's my that's my Orange Crush Interceptor. Coincidentally, I'm wearing orange t-shirt as well. So I think now the Interceptor is done and I am truly finished doing it. So a lot of things that have gone into that vehicle. Let me walk you through those. Give me a minute. So first it started with the way-to-speed suspension, uh, then the grease house mufflers, then this disc from way-to-speed again to prevent water from entering. The rubber gasket on the cap is already gone. I'm not going to buy a new one. Then the AOM handlebar, the saddle stays, and those were some of the main. Then the NGK spark plugs, iridium spark plugs that are inside. Okay, then the booster plug on the Interceptor that went in. And then the fun part starts. Then I got the head ported, polished, compression increased by a bit, by 0.5 I guess, not more. And then we did the lean burn, that is the dimples on the head to aid quicker burn of the fuel. Then I guess no, so I guess then I went with the custom and bend pipes. The custom bend pipes. Now the bike has become really loud, really loud. I don't know how it's going to survive in the traffic with the cops, but let's see. आज तक तो किसी ने पकड़ा नहीं है. I'll show you how it sounds. And then to top it all, I got the Powertronic V4 piggyback ECU, and I think it was needed because with the bend pipes and all the mechanical work that has gone into the head with the S&S high lift cam, it needed a remap. तो remap भी करना है, but it is running on the out of the box map 2 currently and it runs pretty well. However, I need to do a tuning a tuning session, maybe with a dyno, and that will actually tell me how it's working. But I think now it is truly and purely done. She sounds fantastic. I also have the BMC air filter there, performance air filter. And then this is the LED projector that I got from the Derwent. It was good. And this is the part which doesn't fit properly when I reassemble this dome, but that's why I have tied it, because I had to go on a ride. अभी तक तो निकला नहीं है, लेकिन I'll need to go to Yogesh and get it fitted properly. I thought it was a simple DIY, but the clip inside doesn't fit properly. That's where the challenge is. So it comes off like this. See, it's loose. So I'll just show you how it sounds. So this is the switch for the maps, switching maps. It's on map 1 currently. It is loud. Then I bought this generic tire hugger from Amazon, but unfortunately it doesn't fit So this part goes on the axle bolt, but it's too big. So I have properly to do something about it to properly fit it. Maybe I'm not so savvy to fit it after all. That's Buddy, my friend. So he's on his running sprint now. Hi. It is humid and I'm sweating. So now that Buddy is gone, the tire hugger couldn't fit on the axle bolt. So I really need to go to Yogesh and get it fitted. I don't know if I have torqued it properly or not. अभी क्या हुआ ये सो अभी वापस गाड़ी ला के पार्क कर दिया इधर. Now I need to retune it. I need to remap, or rather look at the map. Need some specialist to do it. Probably again it's going to be Yogesh Mishra, and then fit this tire hugger. You know, with this tire pattern, throws a lot of muck right up to my helmet, even with this mudguard. So ये करना ही पड़ेगा. So it looks like scoops it and throws it on my back. ये ले साला. That's what's happening. So, but unfortunately I couldn't fit it back. If you've heard the if you've heard the sound, or I'll probably go back with the stock mufflers just to reduce the sound. Look at the length of that bent pipe from there right up to here. The length has increased quite a bit. So I don't know what the calculations were, but there were a lot of calculations involved while doing this. Samir says that, says that the length should be shorter for a high lift cam, but the way she rides, so up to around 3500 rpm there is humongous power, really high power. And then around the 3500 mark it goes dead. There's a flat spot, and then it reopens again, say somewhere around 5000 rpm, all the way up to the red line, and keeps on giving power up to the red line. So I still believe that the top end may have reduced a bit. That will be done, or rather taken care of, by the retune. So that's it, guys. This is what I've done with the Interceptor, and it is now I'm truly finished doing her up. अभी कुछ aesthetic करेंगे, but I still love the way she looks like a sleeper, but it is really fast. Okay, thank you, stay tuned, and I'll post some more updates after I do the dyno run.